Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to tell you how to write an essay on human values. So let's start. Main points are: first, what are the human values? Second, basic human values. Third, why are human values important? Fourth, intrinsic and extrinsic values. And last is conclusion. Let's start with our first point. What are the human values? Human values are the principles that one should follow to live a happy and positive life. Truthfulness, punctuality, etc. are all human values. Previously, people could do anything to follow the human values, as truthfulness, respecting elders, etc. was everything for people, but now a very short percentage among them are following human values. Basic human values. The basic human values include a lot of points, and the most basic one among them is loyalty, love, peace, honesty, truthfulness, etc. If someone can follow all these basic human values, we can say that he must be a great human being, because very few people follow these values, and those who follow the values become great personalities in the world. Our next point is: why are human values important? Here are some points that tell us why human values are important. Human values teach us to move in the right paths, as most of the people we meet today will provide us a fake help, and when we get to choose between two states, we should listen to our human values, which will always help us to move in the right direction. People have forgotten the values of goodness and beauty, and when they get taught about the values, they will stop thinking about lust and start appreciating the goodness of beauty in anyone. Human values build our character. If we attain good values, then it is quite sure that we will have good character, because a good character always have decent human values, and that is why we may get seen as a great human being after we acquire great human values. Some of the human values help us to preserve the heritage and culture of our city and country. And that is why, when someone says to adopt good heritage and culture, one should start adopting good human values. Human values always help in promoting peace and harmony among countries and among societies within a country. Intrinsic and extrinsic values. Intrinsic values are the values which are inbuilt in every human being, and it gets said that those are the values that a human being has due to the genes of his parents. If the parents have good human values, the children would have those human values too. Extrinsic values are those values which we get to learn from our surroundings. That is why our parents want us to live a good society, because they know that we will learn what we will see, and if we see good things, we will get to learn good human values. Mixing the intrinsic and the extrinsic values of a person, one can have some great human values which can make one a great human being. Conclusion: if the human values get adopted by everyone in the world, then the number of riots and fights in the world will get reduced massively, and the world can live in peace and harmony after that. If you don't want to adopt human values for world's peace, then adopt them for your best, because you will achieve lots of new heights if new human values get learned by you. Learn human values and enjoy a better life. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel Science Study.